Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin ni Aquarius at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung energy na mapipick up natin for Aqua. We have pay attention to the red flags. Ooh. Signs are cautioning you. So there is a romantic feeling. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. And then very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Okay. Bottom po niya is finances and career. Okay, Aqua. So, binibigyan ka dito ng, kung ba parang, ang tawag mo doon, yung parang signal or in a way, a message na may mga red flags, no? Yung kung ba parang hindi tama na nangyayari sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon. Now, we will check about this kasi I don't know exactly kung ano yung red flags na sinasabi dito, but kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo right now with your person is truly true, no? Totoo, may romantic feelings ka sa person na to. And kung ano man yung gusto mo na mangyari, of course, it will happen very soon. So, parang mag-isip ka na kung, o mag-decide ka na kung ano gusto mo para dumating siya. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano sa tarot yung magiging energy na mapipick up natin for you, Aqua. Okay, we have a falling card, the Moon, the Star, the Two of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Bottom is the Ten of Swords. Okay, Aqua, so Ten of Swords. Ito na yung kung ba ending, katapusan. Kung meron ka mang pinagdaanan na masakit na pangyayari o sitwasyon o isang pag-uusap sa iyong person na talagang sabihin natin maraming nabitawan ng mga masasakit na salita. Ito na yon. This is the end. Katapusan na. Tapos na yon. It's over. Okay? So, ba parang nag-decide ka na ayaw mo na. No? It's about time to let go and end this relationship. Kasi sobrang ng pain yung naramdaman mo sa person na to. Kasi sa ngayon, because of that, with the Ten of Cups, hindi mo makita yung happiness na to. Wherein what you wanted is just to be happy. Gusto mo lang maging masaya. Especially with the Sun. This is an energy coming from a Leo. Gusto mo lang maging masaya, but because there's so much words or painful things na talagang nangyari sa inyong dalawa, things have to end. Natapos din ang kaligayahan. And you don't see yourself being happy anymore. Okay? Kaya, ang pakiramdam mo ngayon, you are, itong feeling ng Hangman, which is an energy coming from a Pisces, na yung happiness mo nakahang. Kung parang walang nangyayari. You're on a parang stalemate, naka-beaten ka lang. So there's no movement. There's nothing happening right now. Okay? Now, with the Moon card, yung first card mo rito, this is all about something na hindi mo kasi nakikita or you're not aware of. Something's been hidden or hindi na nasasabi sa'yo. You don't know anything about this. Kung gaba malabo pa lahat sa'yo. O may mga sikreto na hindi mo nalaman. O hindi na nabahagi sa'yo. Kaya nga, this is something to do maybe with the red flags na sinasabi dito. May mga lihim siguro na hindi nasabi sa'yo. O meron kang hindi nalaman, hindi na-discover agad. Kaya masakit, di ba? Lalo na kung involved dito yung mahal mo sa buhay. Kaya, yun. Whatever this situation is, kung ano may sitwasyon nyo, Aqua, take it as it resonates, but definitely something happened ngayon or sa past na talagang nagdulot sa'yo ng maraming hinagpis, okay? Maraming dulot ng hinagpis sa'yo. Okay? Pasensya no kung medyo kasi iniisip ko pa yung Tagalog. Kung ano, how could I say it to you in Tagalog, okay? Ngayon, of course, yung susunod natin is the star. You've been praying. You've been praying to God and wishing, sabi nga nila, wishing upon the star na sana dumating na yung love of your life. Yung talagang, ito na, this is the one, the true love that is meant for me. Yung talagang nararapat para sa akin. And sabi nga dito, no? Andito yung wish mo eh. No? Pakita ko sa inyo. This is your wish with the star. This is an energy from you, Aqua. And you're wishing for your Two of Cups. No? Yung kapartner mo in life. Your soulmate, the one. Ito yung hinahanap mo. This is what you've been praying for. Kasi nga dahil dun sa nangyari dun sa past relationship mo na hindi maganda. So, tama lang na you wish for this time yung talagang nararapat na para sa'yo. But with the Nine of Pentacles, of course, ngayon, this is your energy. You are single, you're doing good, you have money, you can do everything you want, or you can buy anything you want. Parang as if you're telling that you don't need anybody right now kasi you're okay. No? Okay ka naman eh kasi financially you're doing fine. Kung gaba in terms of providing what you wanted, happy ka naman na napoprovide mo sa sarili mo. Of course, ang kulang lang dito is somebody to be with you. Kasi ito yung more of really showing that you love yourself. No? This is self-love. Yung tinatawag nila kasi lahat nakatuon sa'yo. And that is good kasi di ba sabi ko nga, you cannot love a person unless you love yourself first. Kaya tama lang to na ipakita mo muna sa sarili mo na ito ka, this is you, this is how you should be loved. Kasi ganito ko minahal yung sarili ko. And by doing that, ito na yung love na iniintay mo with the Ace of Cups, this new beginning in love. Okay? Dadating siya. And I think this is what is coming very soon. Kaya nga sasabi, clearly decide what you want, so it will come to you now. So if this is what you want, these two cards is what you want, you decide now para nga dumating siya. Okay? Kasi you wanted to have these romantic feelings, di ba? Ito yun eh. That's romantic feelings with your person. With your Two of Cups. Okay, so clarify natin. Ang ganda-ganda ng cards mo, Aqua. Let us see. But andito yung Moon. We have the Three of Swords. Well, the Ace of Wands. And the Knight of Wands. Bottom is the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so kung gaba, I think you invested a long time sa relationship na to. matagal din yung naging panahon o oras na tinapon mo dito sa relationship na to. And what you don't know is, of course, yung hindi mo nalaman, ang dinala sa'yo is, of course, heartache with the Three of Swords. Nasaktan ka eh. No, yung tinatawag natin na sakit sa damdamin, no? Naramdaman mo yun o na-experience mo yun dahil nga may mga bagay na itinago sa'yo. May mga bagay na hindi nasabi o hindi mo nalaman. Which is, ito yon, yung red flags. Now, of course, dahil nga kasi nagdulot ito sa'yo ng pain o higpat peace, gusto mo ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. You wanted a new beginning. But of course, with the Knight of Wands is somebody na talagang itong person na to na hindi mo maasahan kasi yun yung energy na binibigay nitong person mo na kung gaba parang hindi siya consistent sa pagbibigay ng love and attention sa'yo. Kaya yun yung isa sa mga nagdulot sa'yo ng pain kasi nga hindi mo nakikita na ganun siya kaseryoso sa'yo, na talagang makakampante ka sa person na to pagdating ng panahon na kailangan mo siya, andyan siya. Hindi siya ganun eh. Kasi ang nangyayari nga is, kung kailan mo siya kailangan, tsaka pa siya nawawala. Alam mo yon, kung ba parang hindi mo talaga maasahan. Okay? Kaya yun yung bagay na nagdulot sa'yo ng pain. Yung bagay na hindi mo nakita noon o hindi na ipakita sa'yo noon. Ngayon na-realize mo na o pinakita na sa'yo. Kaya ang nangyari tuloy, nagdulot sa'yo ng frustration. Bakit andito yung Ace of Cups? We have the King of Swords, the Four of Wands, and the Lovers. Bottom is the Hierophant. Itong person na to, na yung wini-wish mo to come, yung Two of Cups, sorry, ang nasabi ko ba Hierophant? Ang bottom pala is Judgment, no? Hindi ko napansin. Yung Judgment is really giving you this second chance to fall in love again with the right person. Okay? To fall in love again with the right person, with the Knight of Cups. Somebody will offer you this love, no? Itong love na iniintay mo, na talagang sabihin natin na magbibigay sa'yo ng pangalawang pagkakataon para ma-inlove ka talaga. And this time, this person with the Three of Pentacles is magiging fulfillment sa'yo kasi magko-cooperate siya sa'yo. Gusto niya in harmony kayo. Gusto niya na things will work out smoothly between the two of you. Okay? Yun yung gusto niya. Na itong love na to is talagang kung gaba, nag-jive kayo, pareho kayo, no? Nagtutulungan sa isa't isa. Now, yung Ace of Cups, yung this new love, this new beginning in love na papasok sa'yo, is, again, with the King of Swords, ito yung energy mo na air sign. It could be another Aquarius like you, or a Gemini, or a Libra. And this person will be very truthful. No, magiging tapat siya sa iyo o totoo siya. Kasi kung itong una hindi, dahil marami siyang nilihim, itong dadating na susunod, yung talagang love mo na o yung person mo, hindi, totally opposite nung dati mo. Magiging matapat ito sa iyo, magsasabi siya ng katotohanan, hindi siya maglilihim, mag-uusap kayo frequently. Kasi importante sa kanya yung communication, importante sa kanya yung katotohanan, importante sa kanya yung honesty. Okay? And with this person, nakikita mo na eventually you will get married. Okay? You will receive that marriage proposal and you will plan for the future. Kasi this person is truly your lover. No, this is an energy coming from a Gemini. Okay? So, kung ba parang this is the one. Kasi you have here, no? Two of Cups and the Lovers. Talagang ito na. This is the person that you've been waiting for, Aqua. Kaya, yung new beginning na to is the one that you are been hoping and praying for. No? Ito yung pinagdasal mo rito sa'yo, sa energy mo, na dumating na sa buhay mo. And dadating siya very soon. Kaya nga, you decide, no? Tanong natin, itong person ba na iniintay ni Aqua, this year na ba ito mangyayari? Yes. This is the Queen of Cups. Definitely yes. Dadating siya this year, yung love mo. Ang tanong ko kasi is this the one? Yes, with the Queen of Pentacles. Magiging totally secure and ano ka dito, safe ka dito with this person. Yung stability, financially, and emotionally, ito yung makikita mo sa tao na to. Meron siyang energy nitong Queen of Pentacles. So, kung ba parang wala kang ipapangamba kasi marunong siya sa kaperahan, o may energy siya nito with an earth sign, meron siya nito sa kanyang chart, kaya posible talaga na magiging maayos yung takbo na inyong relationship, lalo na sa future. Okay? So, nothing to worry about, Aqua. Talagang, kung nagkaroon ka man ng heartache before, ngayon magiging maganda na yung takbo with this person. Ano pa po yung message for Aqua? Okay, so ito yung something in the past kasi it says here, third party, you may be dealing with a karmic situation. So it might be, ito yung isa sa mga red flags mo, no? Yung hindi mo nga alam, baka nagkaroon ng third party, yung person mo. No? O nailagay ka sa isang third party situation. Lasting love. This is your true love. Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo yung dadating. Your Two of Cups. Ito na yun. Ito na yung true love mo. Okay? Ito na yung true love mo. One more. Open your heart. Love is the highest energy of all. Let it in. Yes. Pag dumating na itong lasting love mo, yung true love mo, open your heart, Aqua. Huwag ka matakot. Huwag ka madala. Kasi, kung yung una nga, sabi ko sa'yo na punong-puno ng paglilihim, ngayon, as we can see that you were being put into a third-party situation, so may iba siya. This time, yung dadating na new love, totally opposite nitong isa mo. Na wala ka na ipapangamba kasi talagang mahal na mahal ka nito at magiging tapat siya sa'yo, which is what you wanted and what you deserve. Okay, Aqua? I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.